Garmin GPSMAP 66i, a true navigator's dream that keeps you connected even in the most remote corners of the world. Prepare to be amazed as this rugged handheld device seamlessly integrates GPS navigation with inReach satellite communication, ensuring you're never truly alone on your adventures. Imagine being able to send and receive messages, track your route, and even trigger an SOS signal in emergencies, all with a single compact gadget. The GPSMAP 66i boasts a sunlight-readable 3-inch color display and multi-GNSS support for pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're hiking, trekking, or exploring off the beaten path, its preloaded topographic maps offer detailed insights into the terrain. The device's wireless connectivity lets you sync your data to the Garmin Explore online community, making it easier than ever to plan, review, and relive your trips. In a world where staying connected can mean staying safe, the Garmin GPSMAP 66i stands as an indispensable tool for adventurers, transforming the way you explore and experience the great outdoors. Spot Gen 4 Satellite, your lifeline in the wild, ensuring your safety and keeping you connected no matter where your adventures take you. With the Spot Gen 4, you're equipped with a reliable communication device that utilizes satellite technology to provide peace of mind to you and your loved ones. This device is your direct line to emergency responders, allowing you to send pre-programmed messages, track your journey in real time, and most importantly, trigger an SOS signal if you find yourself in a critical situation. Weighing just a few ounces, the Spot Gen 4 is compact and easy to carry, making it an essential addition to your outdoor gear. It's not just about navigation, it's about staying connected and safe. So, whether you're hiking in remote areas, exploring vast deserts, or embarking on a solo expedition, the Spot Gen 4 Satellite GPS Messenger is your reliable companion that ensures you're never truly alone in the wild. Fireflame Quick Instant Fire, you're in the heart of nature, surrounded by stunning landscapes, and all you need is a quick, reliable fire to complete the experience. That's where the Fireflame Quick Instant Fire Starter comes into play. Gone are the days of struggling with matches or flimsy lighters. With the Fireflame Quick Instant Fire Starter, you're just seconds away from a blazing fire. This ingenious gadget is compact and easy to carry, making it an essential addition to your camping gear. Its innovative design ensures that starting a fire becomes a hassle-free task. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or a beginner camper, the Fireflame Quick Instant Fire Starter takes the stress out of starting a fire and lets you focus on what truly matters. Surviveware First Aid Kit. When adventure calls, the Surviveware First Aid Kit answers with unwavering reliability. This isn't just your ordinary first aid kit, it's a comprehensive safety net designed to keep you protected during all your explorations. Imagine having a kit that's meticulously organized and packed with essentials, ready to tackle any minor mishap or unexpected injury that comes your way. From bandages and gauze to antiseptic wipes and tweezers, the Surviveware First Aid Kit boasts a thoughtful selection of items. It's a reliable companion that empowers you to provide timely care when it matters most. So, next time you're setting out on a new adventure, don't leave home without the Surviveware First Aid Kit. A compact yet essential piece of gear that demonstrates your commitment to safety and preparedness in the great outdoors. Osprey Atmos AG 65, a backpack that redefines how you experience the great outdoors. Imagine embarking on a journey with a pack that feels like an extension of your body, offering unparalleled comfort and support. The Atmos AG 65 is not just a backpack. It's a game changer that takes your outdoor adventures to new heights. With its spacious compartments, adjustable fit, and customizable organization, the Osprey Atmos AG 65 ensures that every gear and essential finds its rightful place. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice explorer, this backpack is designed to enhance your experience, enabling you to focus on the thrill of the journey ahead. So, if you're seeking the perfect balance between functionality and comfort, the Osprey Atmos AG 65 is your trusted partner that will have you embracing every adventure with unmatched enthusiasm. LifeStraw Peak Series Water Bottle. When your thirst for adventure meets your need for clean, safe drinking water, The LifeStraw Peak Series water bottle steps in as the ultimate companion. Imagine a water bottle that not only carries your hydration, but also purifies it on the go, ensuring that every sip is a step towards a healthier, more satisfying journey. With the LifeStraw Peak Series water bottle, you can confidently fill up from streams, rivers, or questionable sources, knowing its advanced filtration technology removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, giving you the peace of mind you deserve. Beyond its filtration prowess, this water bottle boasts a sleek design, durable build, and convenient features like a leak-proof cap and a sturdy carry handle. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply exploring the world, the LifeStraw Peak Series water bottle is the must-have gear that ensures hydration isn't just a necessity. It's an elevated, satisfying part of your adventure. Solo Stove Lite, a marvel of engineering that turns your outdoor cooking into a mesmerizing spectacle. This stove's ingenious design ensures efficient burning, leaving behind nothing but clean burning flames and awe-inspiring memories. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Solo Stove Lite is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry, while the minimalistic setup guarantees hassle-free assembly. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a weekend explorer, this stove elevates your outdoor culinary adventures to a whole new level. So if you're ready to create culinary masterpieces in the heart of nature, the Solo Stove Lite is your ticket to a world of culinary wonder and outdoor delight. Zippo 12-hour refillable hand warmer, a compact, game-changing gadget that brings warmth to your fingertips no matter where you are. Refillable and reusable, the Zippo hand warmer is a practical addition to your outdoor gear. Its simple filling process and long-lasting warmth ensure that you're always prepared to beat the cold. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply enjoying a winter stroll, this hand warmer is your secret weapon against chilly temperatures. Leatherman Surge Heavy Duty, the ultimate multi-tool that's engineered to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Having a single tool that combines the power of a toolbox with the convenience of your pocket allows you to effortlessly handle tasks from fixing, cutting, sawing, and more. With 21 tools at your disposal, including pliers, blades, screwdrivers, and even an electrical crimper, the Leatherman Surge Heavy Duty turns you into a capable problem solver wherever you go. Its robust construction ensures it's up for any challenge, making it the ideal companion for anyone seeking reliability and functionality in a compact package. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just someone who values versatility, this multi-tool is your go-to solution for conquering tasks big and small. And SUUNTO Act 2. Unlock the secrets of navigation with the SUUNTO MC2 Compass, a tool that takes your outdoor adventures to the next level. With its sleek design and precision engineering, the MC2 Compass becomes your reliable companion whether you're trekking through dense forests or exploring vast mountain ranges. What sets the SUUNTO MC2 apart is its global needle, ensuring accurate readings anywhere on the planet. The sighting mirror aids in precise direction taking, while the adjustable declination correction guarantees accuracy even in remote corners of the Earth. Crafted with durability in mind, it withstands rugged terrains and adverse conditions, while the luminous markings allow for easy readings in low-light situations. The SUUNTO Mach 2 Compass isn't just a gadget. It's a passport to uncharted territories, empowering you to navigate with confidence and forge unforgettable memories in the great outdoors.